What's up, family? Welcome to Ddins Xperience. Here we do food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, if you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. If you have any ideas or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. And without further ado, let's get to the menu. Okay, family, so for Frank's Red Hot Buffalo Chicken Dip, all you're going to need is 1 package of cream cheese, half cup of Hidden Valley Ranch, half cup of Frank's Red Hot Sauce, and a half cup of crumbled blue cheese with 2 cups of shredded chicken breast. This is going to be a beautiful treat at your next Super Bowl party. And without further ado, let's get to creating, family. Red Hot! Okay, I want to start off with the chicken. You can use rotisserie chicken or you can use leftover chicken. Have fun with it. However, off camera, I went ahead and seasoned my chicken breast with salt and pepper. I went ahead and boiled it for 45 minutes. I strained it and we transferred it over to our stainless steel bowl. At this moment, we're going to go ahead and shred our chicken breast, family. Yes, just like so. I would advise you to use a bigger mixing bowl. You see here, I made a little bit of a mess. Give me a like. Now in our bigger mixing bowl, we're going to go ahead and add 1 pack of our cream cheese, a half cup of Hidden Valley Ranch, a half cup of Frank's Red Hot Sauce, a half cup of crumbled blue cheese, and 2 cups of shredded chicken breast. And we're going to give this a nice mix, family. And we're almost done here. Yes. Alright, that looks nice. Give me a like. Now we're going to go ahead and transfer our dip over to our pie pan. That's right. It's not a big recipe. However, if you want more, just go ahead and double it. At this time, we're going to go ahead and smooth our dip into our pie pan. We're going to preheat our oven at 350 degrees. One more second. If you do love cheese, go ahead and add it. It is optional. It's not added into the recipe, but you can do so. I did. However, you're going to preheat your oven at 350 degrees, and we're going to allow this to cook for 20 to 25 minutes, family. And until then, who created Frank Red Hot Sauce? Jacob Frank. In 1917, owner Jacob Frank contracted to the Esselet Pepper Farm in Louisiana, where Adam Esselet and Frank became business partners. They make spices, vinegar, garlic, and cayenne peppers and aged them, creating the original blend of Frank's Red Hot Sauce, which entered the market in 1920. Pretty cool. You learn something new every day. Okay. And family, after 25 minutes, this is what we're looking at. You did this. This looks great. Meaty, cheesy, and creamy. Yes. I will say, let this sit for about 10 to 15 minutes before serving. Okay, let's plate this up for you guys. Yes. We went ahead and garnished it with a little bit of parsley just to make it look good. Let's go ahead and dip in, family. And let's see what we're tasting like. Delicious! I want to say thank you so much for joining me today, family. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 1,000 dings and to our next food adventure. Peace.